Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you an unboxing and first look of a new knife that I got from Vosteed. This will be the Corsair. This is the next basically the next model that they offer also in brown canvas micarta. Here's a picture of it. The model number is CSNWMZ. It's a Nitro blade, of course, and some more information right there. This is a UA design, and beside we have some kind of pamphlet here. They're generously giving us a really nice patch here, Velcro patch of course, and a Corsair with the raccoon sheep eye sticker. So, and of course a microfiber cloth, which is not wrap around the knife. So this is a what I would say a small cloth, because the larger one that some other brands have is a little bit wider and longer. But the knife itself, and what we have here, a bonus baggie. So basically the standard version comes as a open construction here, and this is probably something to give it the lanyard hole capabilities. I'm just speculating here, I have not mounted it, but this is probably will go inside like this, and then the knife will be a little bit longer, and you have a lanyard hole. If you don't use lanyards, then this is not important for you. There's also a one backspacer that goes probably inside there to change out this this standoff here, and there is also a plate to cover the linear mounting post that is not in use. So really nicely done right there. So let me give you the specification really quickly. So we have a over length of 19.2 centimeters or 7.5 inches. The blade length is 8.2 centimeters, 3.2 inches. Blade width is 2.3 centimeters or 0.9 inches. Thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.11 inches. Handle length 11 centimeters or 4.33 inches with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches. That is measured without the width of the pocket clip. As far as the knife design goes, I would categorize this as a small to medium, as a medium-sized EDC knife. So it has those 7.5 inches, definitely under 8 inches, which is my sweet spot, but that is mainly due because I have a large hand. So this is how it looks like an XL size hand. I can definitely still have the full finger purchase, and I can even choke up a little bit too, but be careful because the blade starts right at the point there. It's very sharp, not poke yourself. As far as the blade configuration goes, they are giving us 9 V, nice stainless blade steel with a beautiful stonewash, which I always appreciate to have it on my EDC blades, and a drop point configuration, which reminds me strongly on some kind of designs that were done by Bill Harsey, and in the past also with Gerber and so on, but definitely a nice functional drop point configuration. As far as the handle goes, they're giving us that nice orangey brown industry standard natural canvas micarta. So this has a nice coarse feel to it, so this is not polished or buffed or polished, and it will definitely darken up a little bit while in use, with those two cutouts here to give you even some extra traction, extra purchase. As far as the construction goes, we have nested liners, nicely done, so milled out for weight reduction. And as far as the pivot assembly goes, we have caged ball bearing washers applied to be completely smooth, and crossbar or axis lock type of lock here. So this lock, compared with the ambidextrous thumb studs and ambidextrous mounting position for the pocket clip, makes this a beautiful ambidextrous package. So also for my left-handed carry users, you can enjoy this knife to this full potential. As far as the pocket clip goes, we have light, medium to light tension. So this is This is what I would like to have it in. My opinion definitely will not shred your pocket. And thank you very much, flush screws with a recessed mounting position for the pocket clip. Excellently done. The crossbar studs are really nice and wide, so you can definitely grab them without any problems. A little bit on the stiffer side in my opinion. I don't know if they can be changed out to lower the tension, but yeah, anyway, it's really nice. As far as the weight goes, we have 82.5 grams or 2.9 ounces, so definitely a EDC bestseller in my opinion. As far as the sharpness goes, I would say this is definitely decently sharp, but I would probably put it on some kind of ceramic stones just to elevate the sharpness to the maximum potential. Now let's also do the lock test here. I'm not I will not say that this will fail or what, because crossbars are so notoriously sturdy and have some bang weld engagement that they will not fail on you. So nicely to see that. Yeah. Let me show you also the pocket profile really quickly here. So it will go inside the pocket without any problems. And this is a semi-deep carry, so it is fold-over design, but definitely a little bit is sticking out. Consider if you don't if you would be using the lanyard hole extension there, it will be poking out a little bit more, but yeah, it is what it is. I really appreciate the craftsmanship on this one. The micarta is really nice on this one. Okay, now let me show you a few size comparisons. So let's bring out the usual suspects here. So first, let me show you the Benchmade Griptilian Mini. Since it has a little bit of similarities shape-wise, then let's continue with the OG gang. Like I call them, our usual suspects: the QSP Penguin, the CVV Elementum, and of course the Vosteed Raccoon. Let's continue with the Petrified Fish 949X, the Small Warrior. Then from CRKT, I have here the Padawan, and also do the CGRB Pyrite Alt. I have here from CGRB the Feldspar Mini. And Kaiser Bergleiter 2. Paramilitary 3. QSP Offspray. This is a good comparison to see how the Micarta looks when it is smooth, and here is contoured a little bit, and this is flat, this is contoured. And now let's continue with the Toxicofera from Berker Magnum line. Here is the RS Scale Real Steel Knives Griffin Pro. Ace Grand from Giant Mouse. Benchmade Bug Out. QSP Volt. Best Techman Dundee. Okay, let's continue with Rough Rider Peanut. Let's do also the Kershaw Leak, Spyrecodelica, Buck Sovereign, Buck Sprint Pro with this beautiful burlap micarta, a Red Model 2, so the smaller one, $940 from Benchmade, so let's do a Sharpie here, Spyrecodelica. Let's close it down with the K-Bar Dojo Folding Hunter. Okay, as far as pricing goes, you're looking at around MSRP is $81. Usually this will sell around 69 euros or $69, so definitely a really nice price point. I will be probably happy with if it was around 60, but then of course you are getting really lots of knife for that money nowadays with the inflation, everything going on. That I'm really happy that Vosteed are trying to do the best to price these really competitively. Of course, this is what they can do, and they also have to earn a little bit money over there. But yeah, I'm really happy to add this one to the collection. As far as the variants goes, you can either choose from red G10, black micarta, blue micarta, and this brown one. Maybe in the future there will be also other colors, because Vosteed does this in batches, so maybe down the road will be green and so on. I will definitely love to see that in brown burlap. Yeah, it will be looking really great, but with this brown one I'm really happy. So with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply to them, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.